the Vont car strip light kit, installed by moi. There we go. I'm pretty sure this color right here is not, striking. It's a little boring. So let's spice it up. Right now, that's my favorite color. But maybe not your favorite color, right? So let's go to another color. And another one. Another one. Another one. Oh yeah, this is hot. It only took me, 30 seconds, I think, maybe a minute to hook this up. Didn't take long at all. And you got that. So for every color, you can flash it. They also have an app that you can use to remote controller as well. You see I'm using the remote controller right here, but if you don't want to use that, you can use the remote controllers from the phone app. I downloaded it. I have not used it yet, but you can use that as well. Go out there and get you one. I definitely highly recommend it. A kid can put this together. I think I'm gonna leave it on blue because it messes my steering wheel. Check y'all out later. Peace.